Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Axium Bacterial Culture in Subnautica 2. We're going to start off from the alien ruins, right here, and we're going to head east by southeast. We're essentially going to follow these routes right here on the ground. I'll keep the footage uncut from here, so you'll have an easier time following the guide, and try not to cut anything essential important. Once you find the angel comb here, turn to the left. You're going to be facing at this point to the northeast. Keep following the routes, and in the distance you should see a green glow. Now at this point try to make a save because there is a collector leviathan roaming just right on top of you. As long as you stay as low as you can manage, it shouldn't go after you. Inside these green pools is the Axium bacteria we're looking for. There's 2 in this small area alone, and that should be plenty. And don't forget to make full use of your flares here, as they will be crucial in getting the attention of the predators around you. If you want to find even more of these, just find the green pools, and it should be inside them. And that's about it on how to get Axium Bacterial Culture in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.